What's up, everybody? It is Captain Brando, and today we're going to talk about MetaMask. If you've been thinking about getting a crypto wallet, this is one that is very universal and it connects to a lot of different platforms across the intraweb and the metaverse of crypto. So let's jump into it and learn a little bit about MetaMask today. All right, first off, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here for entertainment purposes only and for you to enjoy and learn from, and always do your own research and always make good decisions. And because today we're going to talk about MetaMask, and this is your digital crypto wallet, and this is how you keep track of all your coins all over the intraweb of metaverse, of cryptoverse, of cryptocurrencies, of so much going on in that realm that let's talk about it, guys. So MetaMask is a wallet that holds your tokens, and to do that you have to have MetaMask on Google Chrome as an extension, or you can do it on your cell phone. Me personally, I don't do it on my phone because they are two different wallets. You really can't connect both. You can, but it is a little bit of trouble, a little bit of work, and it pisses you off. So let's start off with just talking about the computer, guys. I'm not going to talk about mobile MetaMask. We're going to talk about Chrome MetaMask. So I am here, right here. We are here on metamask.io. This is their landing page. And to get MetaMask, you just hit download here, and that will install it. And you want to make sure that you install the Google Chrome extension. And that up here, you can see, is the little fox head. And if you don't see it there, if you installed it, then go ahead and hit this puzzle down on the right, this puzzle piece, and that will let you access all of your extensions here. And you can see right here my MetaMask, and you can pin it with that pin. See, if I click it, it comes off up here, and if I click it back on, there it is back. And you can see now that we have MetaMask, and if I click it, it is now opening MetaMask. This is my MetaMask. You can see that my activities here. This is everything keeps track. All your activities are kept track of. And then my assets, guys. So this for me is my Ethereum wallet. And this is very important to understand and know, is which mainnet and which blockchain are you trying to purchase tokens on? Because there are different blockchains that speak differently with different languages. So whatever token you are looking for, you would have to understand which blockchain it is on. Let me explain that a little deeper. If I click here, you can see these are our networks. This is the Ethereum mainnet, and then these are test nets. You will pretty much, unless you're a developer, never use these ones. And then if I go down just a little bit more, you have OKE chain. That's another mainnet. That's another blockchain. You probably never use that one if you're new to this. And then Matic, well, you may, don't let me say never. Just right now, you're probably not. You're most likely looking at the Binance Smart Chain or the Ethereum mainnet there. So these are probably the two that you're going to be in, or this is Polygon. Polygon is getting popular as well. So between the three, these are the three most popular in MetaMask. And if you can see here, if I click the Ethereum, you can see that you can see my Ethereum tokens. But here we are, we're still in the same wallet. And if I go down and I click the Binance Smart Chain, it has nothing in it. You can see here, I have nothing in it, but it's still the same wallet address. So your wallet address is located here. And guys, let me put something out there, that when you open and start your MetaMask, please always save your seed phase. And your seed phase is the only way you can get back into your wallet if you forget your password. It is your extra password, your second authenticator of how to get into your wallet. So do not lose your seed phase. Write it down, put it in a safe place, take a picture of it and put it in a safe place. No matter what, you don't want anyone to ever access it, and you never want to give it to anybody. So if you're ever on a website, then it's asking you for a seed phase, please do not do it. MetaMask will not ask you for seed phases unless you request that there is an issue or you cannot log in with your password, and it will be MetaMask itself. There's no other reason in the world to give your seed phase out. And I say this like that because there are a lot of scammers out there, and people are getting scammed very hard. And it's not MetaMask's fault. It's the people that are sharing their private passwords. You see what I'm saying, guys? So secure yourself, lock it up, put it away, find a place, safe place for it, whatever you need to do, but never lose it and never forget it. You don't have to memorize it just because it's 12 words, guys. It's a lot to memorize. Don't forget it. I mean, you're gonna forget it, but don't lose it, right? So don't lose that password. That is your seed phase. When you set this up, that is the most important thing out of all of it, because if you lose that, you lose everything that you have in that wallet. Okay, so let's move on here, guys. And so when you start and you open your account, what you have here, if you click this little circle, these are your different wallets. You can have many wallets in MetaMask. And I usually use different wallets for different things. I try to organize it. You'll see here I have a lot, guys, because I move a lot of content and a lot of coins. But BNB here, this is my BNB wallet. This is my Polygon wallet. And then I have my Ethereum wallet. I'm on the Binance chain. And if we click here and go to the Matic network, which is Polygon's network, it's still the same wallet address. So this right here is our wallet address, guys, and you can always copy it. And if you click the button here on the right, the three dots, and you hit account details, that will give you your entire wallet address. This right here is your wallet address. And we want to make sure, though, that because this is my Ethereum wallet, which you can see here, look, I have Matic in my Ethereum wallet, but under the Matic mainnet, under their network. So you can use the same wallet address for different mainnets, but you won't be able to transfer funds between those mainnets. So if you have Ethereum on Ethereum's network, you can't use that Ethereum throughout the other chains. Even though it's in the same wallet address, you have to understand that they're different wallet languages, right? So Ethereum is not Polygon, and Polygon is not BSC, which is Binance. So let's keep moving, and I'll explain it a little more. If you want to add an account, if you want to create, how I like to do it, how I suggest doing it, is separating your funds. I don't like using one wallet address for many mainnets. I like being able to separate them, so I know that my Ethereum is there, this is my BNB, this is my Polygon, and then I have my different games as well. So I try to separate as much as I can. It can get a little tedious if you're moving through your wallets a lot, but for some of you, it's very simple, and you're just going to be buying tokens and moving tokens. So when you're here, if you hit create account, it's simple to create a new wallet. You hit create account, and then this will be your account name. I'm going to call it Brando, Captain Brando. You guys can name them whatever you like. The naming convention is up to you. It's easy. You just have to make it easy for you to understand which wallet address you're in with which mainnet you're in, right? So this one I'm going to create. I'm currently on Polygon's network. I'm going to hit create, and that game is asking me to change. I have some other tabs open, so that popped up. That wasn't part of MetaMask. So right here, you can see Captain Brando, and I can sit there and change between networks. So I have no money in there. I just started it. So there's Ethereum, and you can also see that they're using their main coin for each platform. So Ethereum's going to have Ethereum as its main coin. Polygon Matic is going to have Matic as its main coin. Binance is going to have BNB as its main coin. And you can see as I switch through these networks, that's what was happening. So let me show you guys a little bit more about how to add a token. So because you can see that BNB, this is the only token that we have on this BNB address. And a simple way to add new tokens is to hit import tokens right here at the bottom. So if you buy a new token and you don't see it, you're like, I swear I just got that token. Where is it? It's because you don't have the token ID added. And it's very important that when you buy a new token, to always use the token ID. And a good way to do that, so let's say you've got BNB in your, here, we'll make it, to get BNB into your MetaMask, I have another video, and if you guys watch that, that'll help you understand how to get BNB over to MetaMask, because you cannot send BNB directly to MetaMask from most of the exchanges unless it's on the Binance Smart Chain network. There is two Binance chains. You have the Binance Chain and the Binance Smart Chain. Smart Chain is the one that talks to MetaMask. The Binance Chain does not. So if you're interested in putting Binance into your MetaMask, go find, and I'll put a link below for my other video about MetaMask. Okay, so we are here at Uniswap. Uniswap is Ethereum's way of exchanging tokens. So if we have Ethereum in our wallet and we want to exchange a token, so let me change my, I don't have any Ethereum in this wallet. I have it in this wallet, my Ethereum wallet. Again, I call it Ethereum because it makes it easier for me to find. And if we want to exchange Ethereum for any other tokens here, we want to hit launch app. It will load. We can select the token. So let's say, I'm just going to use this as an example, guys. Let's go Decentraland, and let's do 0.01. So that'll be $40 in Ethereum, and that'll swap out. So if I hit swap here, you're going to see MetaMask, so confirm swap. I'm not actually going to do it. You'll see MetaMask pop up, and when it does, it's going to bring up Ethereum's gas fees. You can see $49 in Ethereum gas fees. And gas fees are very important to understand because every mainnet has a gas fee, but Ethereum's gas fees are through the roof. They're the most expensive, and we don't like that. And that's why a lot of people want to learn Binance or Matic or Polygon to bring those gas fees down. The gas fees of Ethereum are astronomical compared to all the other mainnets that are out there. So we're not going to actually do that, but you would hit yes right there, and that would go ahead and launch this token. Okay, so now that we've understood a little bit about the different mainnets and the different wallet addresses that you can have in MetaMask, we're going to look at how to add a token. And for me, the easiest way is to understand which mainnet that you're on. Where does that token lie mainly? Where does it sit, and what blockchain is it on? And the easiest way for me to figure that out is go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is one of the biggest, it is the biggest way to look at all of the coins. Wow, guys, look at this coin. 608,000%, that's unreal. But okay, so this is Ethereum, Cardano, yada yada. This is all of these coins here, right, guys? And most of these are, when they're the top coins, they're going to be mainly their own mainnets. But let's say we wanted to find a coin on Binance. And so I'm going to click, this is just an example, and if you guys want to find one specifically, if you click up on the top right there, you have a search. You can search out your coin. So let's say it's Illuvium. So $800, Illuvium's doing really well. So look right here on the left, you can see the website, you can see the contract ID right here, guys. This is what you should always be using when you're going to purchase coins and tokens. And so hit copy on that, and then we're going to go back to MetaMask, and you can see that we're going to change back to our Ethereum network because this coin right here is Ethereum. And to add the token, we're going to do import token down here. Click import token in search tokens. We're going to paste that ID number in there, and it doesn't seem to search, so we're going to hit custom token, and then we're going to paste it there. And look, there it is right there, ILV, and that is, we know that is the exact token for this exact chart. So we hit add, we put import tokens, and now we go back to our MetaMask, and you can see right here that it is added. So that is how you add a token, and you can do it with any mainnet there. So let's try another one, and we're going to do it with BNB. And so if I click back in my MetaMask wallet and I go to BNB, that's Binance Smart Chain. So we go to Binance Smart Chain, and now we need a Binance coin. You can see here the contract's written on Ethereum. This coin will not work on the Binance network. So let's keep going, and we are going to look at recently added, And why? Because on the right here, I can see blockchains. These are the blockchains that these tokens have been added. So let's say we wanted to add this token specifically. How about we do Everest Rising? I like that name, but the numbers are not good. So you can see again, right here's the website, and then you have contracts. And contracts the most important. Again, guys, if you're going to be buying any tokens, this is the way to do it. Grab the token ID specifically, copy it, go back to your MetaMask up top. Sorry, that's not right. And then we're not in the right wallet for what I truly like to do is separating my Binance through my Ethereum. I'm just using this as an example. And so you can see we are on the Binance Smart Chain Network. And now we hit import tokens and we paste that token ID, add custom token, and voila. It is now in our wallet. So that to me is a very quick overview, not quick, an overview of MetaMask and how I see it, and ways to add tokens, to add accounts, to create accounts, and to help yourself separate your funds. And if you want any more content about any crypto, please hit subscribe, say what's up to me. I'm Captain Brando. Nice to see you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you later. Peace, love, and harmony. Peace out.